chakiro mwaka bia. I missed last week.
You look good.
Mwaka January.
I'll go this with January. This is serious.
January. January the minute thing I would get manya.
Kwango lete na maguta mbia ngerete. Ebintu gwanto merete bye Christmas mbia ngerete.
Ukoro wega tukolende wala nile je kwanyole dai aina ramaya.
Iya mano. Akanya muta gurete. Ewese kwa ngete rona chitenga gure nyama.
Mwana magura sayo nyama tiringi ya somubere kone dali ngokana bale gongo kulinda tole tobeze osira batrende twakire mbinya sawa berumbia wachakiro mwaka I've missed abakusi once watoka tegere kipindi ndiangi gene ngomwako yongo goro mwako mbia bo malembe ndo jinsi yase hachakire at high pace inirende we have good things and we hope mwako yongo chakore boronge nende ngwarorbi
Right. Hon Apoko, karibu sana.
Biyamano murali nyakundi doko murenge sai biyamana ndai ura boost abantu baminto tokoro gusaba egere tumago chake shuye
Asante
gozo yotu anjere ko moyo nyasai
biyamano mulisi tafadhali tokoi.
yes asabe tato ito nando yo nyasai yo kwale ngoro nando ragenda ko kana kare mambingi ya twachira sosiwa na bana bao abatenyo letumoyo andi watakonya libagalinde kubashinga mgoba estuarwa ocha studia sabe todo ko ko mwana ko ito kato chaka wega twakole na kato akole bito ya bako para baba tatagira tunasaba na watu ko basabe na baro wanje wime na mangana turakwana nyasaye ito litangani abaye batusemia na ndasukianye elita sabe tuya ringania so tubocha tomenye tomede siye bibe awdo so nyasaye litangani bato bibe watari bagani ni urai nyasaye tutopenya ntokora tutetura bimye totaise no na jikwa Solomon itokonya singi jo kole memeye ikubena Yesu natebwa na mwana bantu wana kaba mwana ndugu twakolie na kwa twasabiri tuenda siri tara Yesu yero motoye
Amen. Asante sana. Polisi kwa family polisi.
Ndio wali polisi mbona poko chaka twa chake tekana
Karibu.
asante
Kwani mausi.
Biyamano yo mintolerance biyamano yo minto mona gitena biyamano wakili for the first time I've seen you physically because I've been listening to the media biyamano mo berania asenga ndio komeno okushiba minto batatagerete na otra abututaite ko basabira maya na mura igwa mangana nyasaye tuno twasabira nyasaye tawo yo bonjiro yaso mungwe anda kabamo nindu twakose
Okay. Tuchakireka. Charity starts at home.
Yeah.
Kiogoro mbiye.
Kiogoro mbiye mwana.
Wajenje kiogoro bulosana biro no kwa.
Kiogoro. You know, tingo whatever as a student and ajinje kiogoro. Unless you want to atebi.
No, I'm giving you the way you're talking.
There's
nothing wrong in your way.
I'm want to say,
what have you done? From the last 7 years, so can you watch
it? At least I've tried. Kimwanya banto inche. Inche na wanda ita kata banki. I've tried to deliver one like that.
Okay.
But I want to say the first time now went OMC 2013 to 2017, I did much better than what I've done now to the county government. And you should know nyakundi mento manyete omo MC ga wa to only 3 roles to play entangani in representation okuba student ya abantu bakiogoro imbacho to muntu ese county assembly yakisi namba ibere na oversight na ne ngongete sana ngotele ne ngochana na engerwa no my the system to wa de kusine ya moi eri ko nga divide and rule.
You're talking about
Kisi County.
Oh.
Number 3, registration. Lende esenge njama chiko I thinking ananje amamang yaba MC wale contributing when we are making laws in that assembly.
Toko balere billion le kwa kili fungi.
I cannot even tell, but I know I've tried.
Have you done any bill? Era o yusa kaino mosi o someone to Kisi County.
No, potenti tu alerte mangana regulation ya chikawa. Lakini it was not invested up to now. When na bongo tebanga ki is to kuna ro kwa kende na ro tebanga ringa. Through a executive na ko implement in executive ya ko tabia. Last time through the leadership yomo almost ke umugabano ito cha Ongwae. egas twakorete rui ele no maneno ito ya first time tegwa compare na bo na ani sako gendere ngeje ono na bongo tabang itamu ya kabere there's a lot of problems there.
It's about the Arengo first
time we passed 4 financial years na bongo tabang achi financial years is in Chiakorate yanji was sharing the budget in Chiakorate asingia. But I can tell you, for the last financial year 2 or 3, any I got to what. I want to go to Manganchira, Koragasi, eco reflect, eco nature as a 2 or 3. I'm not saying again in Krakow, and this in it, like in the Evia Kolu, cannot tally nature financial year it's just.
Chibasere ngamo shima chilo cha kisi county average. Soko beka tutesoko beka iko chiakea.
Chiakea 2017 financial year 2017-2018 budget year lenge 11 point. Lakini chikuru exchequer yo chiko 7.
So totebe kero mwaka kisi county.
Kero mwaka average totebe as by now kisi county are receiving more than 21 billion
times 7. It should be 49 billion. What's a mere 6 years?
Or 6. Yeah, okay, situation should be over in Yakuni, whatever, it's a budget. Into what the conditional grants, so many
so
just a situation which is county, it's not less than 8 million. 8 billion. Yes.
Ekero tanga atera ko runta kero ko nkitara ko runta kero ko chibe sanjiro wa msiembero wako ba site moro mo represent ngotara ko lemir
my brother both of us I include myself who sit
you know done your job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's being realistic.
Okay.
The executive was not done, even as we have not done. The reason why the other two we have done, the presentation we have done. In Hon Apoko, I represented them and Wakigo. A registration we have done.
Oversight you failed.
I think oversight we have failed. That one I agree.
Wakili, this is the most MCA to an in the country.
Number one, supported Nirichiko so that the team Korasiasa.
Please.
Sababu Apoko mwana siasa actively in politics. Katika Korasiasa. Madam anasema wote wanga ya kuundu mwalidi. Wanda walidi mbaro but you don't need to support it. Onate abana called number one. Chirolo chaba MCA chiri under section 9 ya County Government Act. Chiri sana. Kwenda one by one, but it's true chiyata waisato nchire chinde ibere atinga ntekene
Ibere nchire
tiango somere ga no chiranya kuti ngende kumanya
because we also have to check a discussion from the same page.
To check it on the same page. Garo kurigere
it's possible ejinde ibere yatinje maete
no era amanye tinyachole
manya
entangani no maintain contact katio MCA na electorates.
That is the representation.
It's that contract between MCO na members. They got issues. Chiabo chiranda discussion. Chonsi. Bachimanya. It means telling I una lenga punge na kakwale na koli roro. You must be in touch na bantu. Utuale engagements na bantawa. Akabere nyakundi. No go present the views. So that representation in general. It's very specific. Even the matter statutory specified provisions. Ngediri jigro dange gazi wacho ruji kokora nei. Akabere. Ro akishanga evidengere was views. Chiabantawa na opinions chiabo na proposals chiabo chiabando bako chawalete. Okay? Chiabe represented in the county assembly. That is largely what they say representation, which is okay. I think it was. Akatoto kundi. No akishanga ba attend the Beyonce. As it's very clear, attend the sessions of the county assemblies and its committees.
Okay.
So it's one of the other rules. When the Korana wakishanga yakore, akana nyakundi. No wakishanga mbarobale a link. You see it made kuya.
Nobody kubwata.
Yes, na wakubwata niya a county assembly, electorate na mangana public service delivery.
No, kwa serikali.
Kwa serikali. Ingi serikali yokora. A link imbanto kiaba. Kerato wate banga nyareba tara akora. This is what they call oversight. Nyareba tara akora gas. Ngo kwa on behalf of the people. Ekera to wate for example kuro eso mheshimiwa Boka Boka. Ekera ando wate banga edaracha nera iga I'm not sure was it on tactile was Irakurwa. I have had him several say Rajanera Jambuzi Romanian, Ajacobe Kamagina was Namagan was Empara. I tell which why when that has happened, what is the role you will see? It should have been him or could provide that linkage, but yes, Korangi in the Vitra Yakorekan. A young Moeria Kundi as a rich Kunebaete. No work Kijanga professional knowledge and expertise was having very, very professional, specialized knowledge. Yamangana knows the piano discussion are very extended. There's a link in that terms of professional knowledge. Issues taken in professional knowledge, could constituency, a county, was a national assembly, or cause that extension of knowledge. Assembly a word to the county assembly. So those are the roles. One of the things we want to work with in terms of leadership, koika electorates, patuale is say and link no montore at this level. It's part of your role, job description.
But I think that I have anything outside that.
No. I'm only saying, I was only expanding.
Okay.
It's in line
with what you say.
With what you said, but it's expanded. The role is bigger than you simply saying a representation, oversight, and the other role that is said. It's a bit larger.
All those things now, which sum up in that category. Is it right? Some way no abantu ba field, tokonya ko problema ba MCA, tokonya problema executive. Or tebirengere we take a collective responsibility.
I think that is very honorable. There's a collective responsibility. Lakini kila mtu anabuate function yake. Where the problem is in the county devolution. Ngelinga the role ya MCA bakwa ni kwa na bale CECs or bakwa implementation. Usukubole mu MCA for example mheshimiwa he will tell you na colleague yet ntobuate a county executive when they will deliver emeremo ya no hakikishanga within that county executive emeremo ya correct. So each of them have failed but at different categories like capacity.
Let's hold the Hon Apoko responsible can do what executive.
Before Ntala answer Yakundi, what you have asked me, I want to answer.
Please do.
Wakili.
Do
you know the reason to what I rang again to get to Trakor? Inchilate Yura Kanya and Vaki Room at Injanopor.
Lakini kienda
Yura and Okubate. I'm happy among Nagatena. He understands again.
Lakini bone se kienda kemangana ngenge yoko.
That Injanopora. Injegas Yana is the out of priority.
Okay.
A specific job. When the Korea or the Angaki, Paragete, again the Corosiwa. Omonto to get a Corosnesia, Yaros. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
Lakini bantu baki you back to understand. When you para Yaros, we are definitely Omonto will take it in
which is wrong.
Of course, yes. Nade is not wrong because you want to metaria again to get correct. The credit must go as I want to be very sincere. A governor, because near the main person from executive. Regardless, in a GC Sinjiro, no one to represented via Yavanda word. Are you getting what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying.
Yes. Again, to get the cabinet. The reason why we are unfair in Apoko.
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah. Nay. Even if as a Kenya system of governance, even if in Jaka Kuga, one of the correct one. If I don't have numbers, she won't support in the inquiry.
Numbers, Jackie.
One in Jamaica and Yuga, Mugawa no money.
When you watch the numbers,
the angle table and I want to explain that. Okay. Yes. One on Kuga and Jet Neparea one. And I want to tell you one at times. And I want to be very fair. You look at the one to get the vacuum, they will sing one, it has every vacuum some of the few things which I can name.
So Naboku be correct.
Somehow, yes. Because you are no cool. Number two, consultation. Nero Yoko Moakira. Yes. Again, to get some against it, Kerika public participation. As I want to go to then they give their views.
Yes.
That's what we call public participation. Which mostly a tarigo mono. At the time you go to the corridor, public participation, I want to wait to understand.
How much project you call public participation there? like whatever projects for example is a word ya
ese wodi yana
only public participation ya pale wembe
inje wana public participation imbwa tenje na Apoko onye na wana jiso kwa njika cross one igendo na kwa chibarasa
ayo monyene
na bagambi
e budget ile ile te counting ayo cha public participation
nere ngo chande ria ida tu nere ya kwa PPI ria ida tu ya public participation nere ya kwa PPI ona ero nyetiga bozo tura
we talk about PPI it's fine
lakini in two from the county assembly chibe chijonjo for public participation actually I've never seen it but inche na Apoko yo sit here in the studio nongo kwa nabagambi nabantu
unaona wapi pesa
chibe ni county government listen to me ese budget na kota budget to ya 2017 2018 2018 2019 one budget wa ya 2019 2020 nere gele ro jiso ke jingote juwe nchige ndrete wono inji public participation yana no gutwari barasa no mugambi ndebya bantu ngaki subrogation ye according to identity have identified it is over jiso kwa njingani
wakili I think on umeshima Apoko hata bekenda umenye sometimes again the king take go twara go si wa mabona tumatomera buyeka
what I wanted to say wakiria igwe mbeni yansa as according to the law ingeringa ki even if ero yewenda kotebanga ki a budget kiaiti kwa I am subjected for collection because the lawyer is here originally a budget kiaiti kwa is not the duty yomo MCA kogenda kubolinga ngijin soko jira is the duty of the executive to make sure ngaki chinsoko to aid to in the department of water kere ward isano chibe men egasiane no koranga ki soko ya mulio moyo ya rosi muage tembe ya rosi onye tara rosi ngira ne parking chaka kubolinga ki ngeta la koranga dara rosi lakini mono as by now kende kinga ko nyakundio mi
Nyakundi, I think you understand it here, Mheshimiwa Sakuran. By the way, Mheshimiwa Apoko is not, no controlling a person and the resident is not alone. Aba MCA wants to see they do what Mheshimiwa Apoko tell, which is unfortunate and it's wrong. The reason why it's not good deliver is simply because of that approach. Whatever that one umuntu when they go deliver which is true. Ne governor na abantu bakora cyabo which is okay, which is true, but a role yo wakikisha ngabakorere the supportive role yo wakikisha ngazi yakorekanire without gukuna kibeza kiriya should be your MC, and that's when also what that specifically mean there. Number one, wakikisha nga you are the link abantu abakwa bagambe na baro kibarasa bataba is for me it's a very good no idea nyatakwa dinjirende but a due communication abantu ngagenda kwete that is not public participation. They have created their own rules and policy.
But he's saying that's with the reason you have because about budget, your public participation.
The budget you will the bill was regulations bunge was a motion you adopt the regulations your public participation structure so that it is not about the barasa. I can always say barasa and this runs to know they are not giving you, it's not the discussion, it is communication. A chance for Mheshimiwa Apoko Naraiga, got whereas Abuja, in that over again to get into but who's eating Amanto? Why do you assume Amanto? But I see me give us what I give. Who's eating a matter? This is my
he knows his area.
Correct?
No, you know, can have to know what the manifesto.
Yes,
so you're going to bypass MCA.
That is, I'm not saying I've bypassed. Correct? That was the idea. Kwa very elected na nyasai na yo maide kiregento na yo gochaka na goko we changed that, and that is why Kenya better understand we are saying yes mko atoete your ideas you said moja kwa 1 2 3 but the one kwa very elected sit with the people kwa teving enye kwa the teams mabitano we think osikoro osie pale area negesima keria for starters was a framework yeye ntosuke busio so that the people are involved. That is the whole concept of public participation.
Are you saying abantu batigera manga?
Yes.
Yes.
No. I'm not with the agreement because public participation is not an in general MCA.
Okay.
But we also have a public participation in a budget process. A budget committee go attack every sub-county. No, you wait, about 12 few step. Then it is entered in the CIDP. CIDP never direct the budget process and annual development plan. It always is assembly. Then me, as a person who represents the work you go on budget annually in the annual development plan. And if what you expect me to do on your budget this year, we are going to do I need to change that? You don't. because an appropriation bill ekara ya itiri assembly, he is a lawyer here. Ekara appropriation bill ya itiri in the assembly, you don't change it when it has been passed and they can set it. You don't.
So there's nothing can do.
Like, what do you expect me to do?
This is what
I
I'm
was
saying.
by the budget.
Okay.
Yeah? Like now, again, that got a great para. The budget is para Nero. I was giving an example. Ya mangana mache because the budget we have as now 2019-2020 kere ward in Kisi County. Yeah, but and I'm here. I'm telling you, we can download the budget.
By then,
You know, not having a few things collected by the budget committee. I got to wait. Number one, na togo swaiga, na original togo swaiga. The assembly ya go the first time na to 2017. The executive was hearing and doing a CIDP for 5 years. Integrated plan. You see now, the views are being collected all over.
Mheshimiwa Apoko, we have seen Kisi County and Chief Chikwanda Steward for development.
Yes.
Do you think that in fair?
At the times, no. Equalization fund never regularized. Like as by now, that is it.
Why would we give you 14 million and you got 3 million?
Well, we can't change that. As by now, some of the regulations are needed to be passed. You see now? But if the regulation is not there, then equalization fund.
Again, don't you recognize Mheshimiwa Apoko getting key? I'm a Goko Yava MCA, it are tied to some extent.
But
So, I talk about Itabosa.
Bornaiga, at this point, I go to my argument in Chikondio, yes, or carry tight, but the rich alien policies, Nakinateva, more good laws. Why should we pass it? He says, and every Kiromo MCA and Kwakiwale, Kire County Governor, cover public participation. But number one, what is the framework? More just a public participation here. How many people are going to be public? I have gone to one public participation where ndalekuwa allowed even in kwa naziki zinginja nyoka na bara bezo zalia maji. So abantu barayiga bonzi pia bari kondo liko ewe pattern.
That is it.
Apoko nera muheri kondo oyota gwanta ona izingo governor gose. So that even to be eta omuntu bwa the genuine concerns was the value ushike risiko. Ntobwa the framework at all. And that is why Richie Kuriko very clear that here all here connection here no more MCA as a Mangani County.
So I want to ask you a question that we move to another topic.
Yes.
To blame MCAs or executive?
Once you are blamed by channel Chiabo, Mchando, Mchando ne MCAs. Kiagara, Babuade, the resources, the ability, the Chinguru, Chogo, Akishange, Kerega, Korona Kore. Why don't you have impeachment motions? To try to even the solution to our Yakundi, other counties. Abantu bakwimoka batebanga the both county assembly and executive bakole basinyo colleagues to resolve the entire county. But when he did it, they can solve a problem. We have not seen anybody within the ekagara ekasiya abantu abaprokunga ba MCA is to work kishanga bale bako deliver. Let us agree gere ekere quality the first point umuntu tokubegera makoso ne governor. But as we look at the governor karali gere who was supposed to do their role. You were
supposedly, you allow me to answer Wakili. You know, Wakili is only answering the questions on perspective of the probation. Listen to me, yes. That one is rich control you impeach. But who? Who? Governor. Governor. How?
How not?
My brother, let me talk from the perspective of politics, you know, because you know Wakili was talking on the perspective of the law. Yes, on it. Let me talk on the perspective of politics. Yes, now. Number one, no Queen Beach. That's the first case. Wakili, you know, Wakili, he has testified very clearly not in one of the participation meeting. You know, but the chance ya kwan. Reason being, na kwan again to kende gracias to system. That's what he has said. One of Kwaranga in Chapo, Koninche Buikan, Maangi the 69 MCS. In Kisi, we have 69 MCS. You know, again, they get no Marika, whatever, talk, what they make and Dorojin at Togo. No Roger, Nichaka impeachment motion, you could no Wangurusia. The law states we go to 1/3 of the members who signed it. No, that come on beach.
So we gave him the beach. I mean,
they wait on the 1/3 members. Are you about that?
You was one of the
and another day. No, Ongwae, no moment. But then Kokwana, now Mokuwa, Moki, PPI, ukamwake kwa mwake mapema ukama usema aragete komo akama hoja buso ilikuwa mwakira mwakwana komesi
tokora na karoso
bone si yani ukuragira si miedo ukuragira na ni nche tukura kama na si
very serious allegation
I withdrawn I withdrawn that ege tonargo te bia au mwakili na yo ntegere no monto to interview siasa muntu nabono abantu ba complain na Ongwae na nyagarama mbarako I'm sorry to miss ni nyagarama no nyiti ndio MC oi nonyi we lakini kale chikora chekete cha 2017 mbara bacho orduna nabo nonyi we
na abantu ngo complain bani ngaturako
ndio akora kende lakini nje ndo tolo chine edition yani nje na aje tayari kumanyoro yindi na assembly aba ka once let me start from my governor only I don't want to talk about nyagarama because mwako ulimo sigete nje ndo akora gas na manye experience omuga komindo Ongwae onju Ongwae to from where I'm seated now Ongwae na kwa system ya moi eli alunga divide and rule kende kyo sikikuja na watu manyete pinga bintu mbira kana bano budget jina soma goja oboringa ingiya kore kende financial 2017 2018 ninje na mo MC at from the god gonna have ngaki na bintu ko tutakira ko problem nonji we
I think it's good to know mwafiri mwezi. It's fair when you say that.
Lakini nende na nende kitaka kwenda back.
So you are not again the what we think like mwafiri mwezi.
Ntuna ba MCA ntuna ba MCA ntofere tio na oversight.
Exactly.
That one I agree.
So
listen to me.
We will hold
listen to me.
I want to hold you. I want to hold you accountable no MCA so that they can ngoja kwa wale governor ni more accountable ne governor. So I want an assembly. Because the executive mbaya ya abeta teko sema afiri ko sema afiri. Igule
ngote inje when I'm talking on the perspective ngaki as much as I failed. Na wakili ate I'm happy now konya utozi the perception mimbo ate go yomo wakili nembe na muchaka na kwara na chaka but now we come to the
election ama verata na Boka
no ekinaro da banyakundi then we proceed inkelinga ki na wakili ate as much as we are fair but let us go back to the where he lost. It's not a must wakili otosomeri yake ke iko ngendo ya account government it's not a must nga tutakere ko push the kisaka tumema ko legend
it is there. What do you mean it's not a must? According
to the law
wakili is it voluntary?
It's a mandate
yani nige ndakio kwa so kwa
mheshimiwa ninga stand so mheshimiwa kurwa the feeling is gasime nyingi but yale ko banga njira nere systems katokoro cyama chiko ngurire tolenga umuntu yabe province chinguruma the power umuntu agoruna Montesquieu ichiko ya ngere chingu gero power yazo y'umutu okobe balimo you will not even be okore bintu that even setano mena takore so we put systems to agishanga we bring you back to akuirani endoro ko anguru chonsinga naye okokora nayo gochakana gukora so we know and management ya institutions appreciate singa mutikere Ongwae week Ongwae will not do anything we will take mutaka nchibese will take the one video and use it kwa gacha umuchuka ta underground and there's nothing else here he has the money nero sign evento
so we must
must put systems you can make ya colleagues and that is why MCA babaraki but for purpose of county kuhakikishanga they have been able to push ejara ta akora week I think in an ordinary setting I want to then we don't need MCA why do we need them we don't need the county assemblies we will remove them to the governor na bantu baye and ichikorite benga weke yendoka neki and do it but we know ntoma idenga mbago kora kusemba kora mbatwaro bukorobi so kuhakikisha ngo bukorobi yo no gotakora kwabo kwabere managed tomanya ichikorite abondo hosi county assembly muboje rusi abateri ba council bali bakali these are legislators esa mangane county babwata roles Chumonto omo MCA no member of parliament babuikaineta bauti ngelinga which platform oyara national oyara county assembly that is the difference so igorichiko gives an option yoko sukuma that is why bahire chinguru cyokora sense motions ose bako debate injira bakurushi mu bunge kurwari kabere another option dichiko lirwete dichiko ndianjerete ngende ko nga picketing na go present petitions as institutions na bwanjire umu MCA gaiga apokage arangire abantu baye bonse pi baye demanda mano mbage county na goteba nga we are presenting our petition ere Bonende igo abantu bakigoromba igwete. Bonde wachoro tete mochore. Kate batakora abantu bakigoro nere bachibuko gamba mangana yu. But injebuno mondo weri chiko, I look at it piwalinga aba MCA mbagwa that role. Nyoni injebuno mondo kunanja nyoka nabo I can mobilize abantu. I don't need my MCA. But we always say, kumochorire on behalf ya abantu. Who was the first call wakikishange binde bigiri chiko, they are taking charge. No mondo rio choriro. Oromo bunge, oromo MCA, ore women rep, ore governor, na wako hakikisha they are the first tuko na citizen number 1 as area you. Kiana abantu batebere nga on behalf ya abantu abaito bonso
Kyogoro 01.
Kyogoro 01 to jaka nga ya pokare. That's why people will ask you, nga ya pokare. Asiki nero chorire. Kwa niaba ya abantu bonso before ntaraja unanyoka. Before nyakundo taraso ago za maiga we will expect
The MCA to
Ngomo MCA uri is elected to take charge on this issue on behalf ya abantu bagenda babukorera ki amachorite. Ichi koni mwazi chinguru nyocho.
So Hon Apoko nyibinto mbira akora na Kyogoro, we will not blame Ongwae, we will blame you.
No. Both of us. Both of us. It's only one thing I say. Nate baburunge nyakuni ngeringa ki inchinamo inchasa person Apoko na nda rorenga mbiyanga enderede. But from the implementation side, there is a big problem also. When you wait. You want to kisias, tinta get diaro kirian koso because of the law. Kisias. But when I ngabono manage pan. If I go to the Minister of Roads, the minister nimo maete na especially ani bona akuru sub county na mo kwa nenge baragete on the budget needed to get corruption. What do I do again?
Follow it.
I'm following it. I talk to the chief officer, I talk to the minister. Then what do you expect of me?
Mheshimiwa Apoko, whatever, then mitiango konyo on that even bit. Ninya onyo era letali ngenga tolese Egesa ga iga bantu pakusibonza bategerere.
Yes.
Oso kote ya bantu mabinga ngumira nyoka gotebi akasomera lichiko bantu bakwegena. Asiki niche naye. So that is why lichiko ligotwale mechanism ya bantu bonsi. Public participation so that even ngenga tukia bantu ayene captain ukulidi ya bantu. Akero montaga de public participation is barasa. In fact, monto kiora lingora etana na tara kuchia wekera ngweta kuchia nyamagwari. Which is idea basi. I have a few friends and at one point nani tiaza ngora holding somebody was asked chibarasa ichi how are they done issues kia bantu bara resist chibarasa unless to the platforms where ukusukuma kwenye uhakikisha you have a mechanism you hakikisha abantu aba participate bale nguru bale berengere byabo projects Jones be they should be the ones directly in charge.
And 1 minute, then I answer Wakil. You know, as much as we are talking about public participation, no matter when you call about the first thing they ask now the view that is it. And do you know and I think it is true. I think do you know abantu bajite kyombo bakasel? Do you know that story?
I know that.
Abantu bakagenda kyombo bakasel ngaki muliko karapa.
I want to talk about issues more as corruption. But before we do that, nga kyomwana incho kyogora bane akobabona kera ward meeting nga in mwesi executive na assembly mwafiri nikitoko kyomwana incho.
No, I want to say ruga abanyi wete na usiendima. I want to appeal to our honorable members. As Boka Boka, let us put our socks. Okay. That's number one. Number two, I want also to tell executive starting from the governor. No, no, from the book of Revelation chapter 2 verse 5.
Yes, sir.
Remember where you have lost. Yes. Then we start from.
So you remember.
You start from there. Me as a person, yes. Okay. And I want to tell the governor where he has lost and his executive team to start from there. Intira nyasa inje kokote biga no muntu kuraga na ingo nduri kanisa Jumapili nenje ko ene sabato kwa no moibania kwa nda Jumapili mwako ya kwa Jumapili mai mo dago anyoka ne entrama ya bande para unima kanisa moja aye no mo Katoliki no mo Katoliki oyo akwa nderia iseo sina kigo ne mia ngonyi kwe nenje no mo SD daga ro na wakil ne entrama inje kokote injira te yo tura bure montaje no yo tengo tu emotion ninja la tu yo como te minister of finance ngai ya jit aro tango tra bun ngai ya jit
na te to go direct ya kule ki mutara buto wensi
no cha ke entro ke goika lakini si ukokore na ukore problem sinansire
Egesa FM ngubaya mwenye kitinga studio Hon Apoko MC Kigoro wadu akili redisa nyoka njenkro kwa Lawrence Nyakundi. Of late mwakone gore ya corruption. County yetu about corruption.
from where I'm sitting Hon Apoko corruption yuko kwa na what evidence ndo na but what I'm saying one naro na ndio nabango tabanga I'm subjected for collection from
one tuto na number 1 mwanche nitenga corruption ile kisi county osea
tigante evidence ndio kwa kwa mbori o tigangira ne
I want a straight answer yes from then you can answer the next question
in just a person you want that having a corruption error when I have evidence.
So you don't have evidence in corruption?
Evidence timbuat by now nga.
Okay.
Lakini ndo ta ko te bon. Again to get ko to tegera to ra Rusia tegera to tegera.
I'm listening.
Yeah. Again to te ko te. Oche bu monto tegera. Oche bu monto o mukungwa ko te binga umusacho ai no moibi. Definitely ko kwanjira nenga bana monto ino moibi.
What do you mean?
Yes. Avanza.
Gari yangu.
Na kwani naona ikwa ibu. From there na to wanza kukutu na isinga ki ungikiagara mukungu kwana nga musacha no mwiki
tigato and direct the question. Let me ask you so ongera directly. Do you agree in deputy governor ya Kisi ya tebanga corruption error rasa Kisi county?
Ekerongo inche deputy governor no musani on e governor himself no musani on muga kaburi isigete ke mwanya wandu musigete miaka ne bintu bindi onyi we lakini kile weka corruption matters ekele deputy governor eko tebanga nga corruption error that's what I meant ekora manda babire bajortu wakili ekara ko kwana oigwa mangana yo noranya be abanda abos ebachorire osome comment act na bela tabanga ki
It's a joint ticket.
Bonse bachori bono yekire omuntu ro mukungu ga Maangi omusacha nonkwa monta kerabia bono umukungu mintu gaki omusacha onongetire kira lituko gagocha nengoko kira ongogi nyakuni njira teyo abantu abandi bariziko batangira nengaki erorio nonyekete na gwikanjira ne umukungu ito gakwana na bekali na inje where I'm seated wana na bongo anjira nene ngaki onyo mukungu ateba nende ngo bukurumimbra ento ngo bukurumimbra aba answer the question.
Is it fair for a deputy governor to accuse a government for corruption? Apoko doesn't want to answer that one.
Aba answer yani ngo tenda kwana tenda kwana yani tenda kwana naona hiyo
is it fair?
I think we got what meeting there's a problem. I think number one, before I count even deputy governor at the corruption, what the general audit yabana inch. Yes. Getting a chibesa, itching and I
financial idiocy.
In a chibesa very implemented. That is what a year
implement.
More 70% absorption rating to projects, 30% in a project they are started the
yes.
I put now that in a somewhere was on.
So the question is who will implement a budget here?
Or the or
your parameter is part of the
yes.
So why would you complain?
Yes. That's what I'm saying. Now once they are as guilty as charged. Once P ever got the same mistake. On they are tevenga or you mo debut. And it's wrong. By the way, that correct maybe that is expression, that is not a mistake really. Deputy governor is not considered mukungu as such. Is equal stakeholder. Asobo nambiogo.
Na inge.
Eke gusinabe ka. Eke gusia kar to kegwania.
Tira thwe kuzuno wakebegiri. But for purposes yuburai. Abanda be
otaka tindi wanjiri. Onye ko genda ko ben. Onye ngotuma chibesa ngutu. Amagendera ayo. Agara monta kuna amagendera wikatinde ke. Aya, tigante baby ntona kote.
What do you mean?
Yes. Oto monta kara kuri na magende. Yani kara monta kure tiangote. Na bata tinde.
Ngochanga na magende.
Yes.
Matanga. Is that responsibility ya kona nyegosira? Na giyera magende.
Na nyebe tene responsibility because kana so
it's not your responsibility kwa neba ndo bakure what?
Ngonti.
Actually nyakundi. What I want we should ensure abantu as much as possible. mbali kwa 7 vile bisini
tangana kwa ngwacha ya ngine kwa wakili tiangira ndili swali ambo ekigera kwa wakili otebya kana
ole fair so ngwe bintu
yes I'm very fair na bono nyene chipara yonchi bagete chonchi bichi saburugesha njani chonchi sana kwanza sana mkwaza onyiwe onye namagana amaji aina teba en skuru entanga na etangi ya wetu wakili chitangi cha ruru kuru county government sana kajagete I've given it to Abako, I will go on Maboto. School going to the secondary school. I've given 2 tanks from the county government. I would say, Matuna has gone down, Matuna secondary, okay, say, a tangi, Mary. On your way, I Chipara, I'm a Kuru county government, we are made Chipara, Yamano. We are made Yandrama, Yawan. We are made Yamachan, Umatai. We are made it from Mamariba to Yandrama. We are made it from Yandrama to Nambain. We are made it from Yanyamuamu factory to the main road.
Etaraja ya Mareba.
Tarata de Yama.
Mareba.
Setara Janero.
Mareba go chidanya mwamti.
That is it. That's it.
Last machieto vetera nyagote distance ya bwara sana.
Uya ko ngainere. Let me tell you. Tarata te ye tara osijia. Di karaba tiri kiro ri nene mono. Yani etaraja. The only thing you would have said it pare na was in the first term. Ono ya sare kire wakili. Tangi ke ndio ka ko. Ntega ro nyigwe. Etaraja nero. Osine etaraja kwambo.
Ne pare.
Yeah. Nyakundi. Oma don't contradict things. Okwate abetaraja. Etaraja is there?
Ekombokalia nyamwa.
Kwambokalia nyamwa.
One etaraja ngigo junye parate.
Gango tebi ebara na nyero set in the first time. Tangera rendo igwe. Nyakundi. Ndako baya si kwambo ringire ne. Etara erikarabati ndibe kiroho li nena abantu bagwetera. Nonyi gwete ne paranero. Yes. But the only thing ntakete goteba kuruwa ne studio yoboria moiraneri. Epara gebe under this project of financial year 2019-2020 for repair ekobe kwa moro mkurunyataro paka nyanya mwampai set. Yes, let him wait.
Nora wenge police post ya kiogoro kwa nyewe chemalo.
What? Wakili on support it. Nonya kwanya kumera on support. Again do go as Department of Security. Igere under national government. Ili shuari ili motebi ya burtong. Tarasa kombo. Nairani. Nade mwani mbori yali.
Lakini on that nyagunyo on that issue. Ninganje tegera uno mashimwa tabiri by the way naliswali ili umuntu directly responsible mu bunge is true.
Yes.
Lakini bado
mbega kuya anachengira ni.
Algo bakinga on behalf ya wananchi ay tuli muntu ole county gonga tuli national.
Okay.
Ekiana ino mwananchi. Ekera abantu bafieldinga makosa inarororo.
Nanjire.
You have a role.
Nanjire. Bono inje tigangira nelia nyakundi na wakili onga onyigwe.
Yes.
Ngatware barasa tali barasa ya ringe ya security. Ngatware barasa ekana argo issue chipasari.
Yes.
Last financial year. Ingatena boronge nkabatebia have heard from a distance ngomo shima nata de konganya police post kurwa which soba mariba. Nonyigwe ngatena kitet and I've stood so many funerals because nyakunyo minda soka turanya ora bantu para bange na matanga. Lakini na rangi thiri bagacha bange ni kana ko issue chipasa. Ingateba boronke police post abantu baranya konye ni stakeholders baga yake karansa. Kama karansa like memorandum which is omoshimiu omunyeteri from the SCC. And we have talked with that one to SCC. But you know I cannot overrule omo MP. And you know, again, to get more Tamanya, the Rotamba Baker, we have Antoine. On my MP, we are from the same clan. I'm the AMC of my MP. No more MP, no more MP, and we constitution. Number two, Yakuni, no, whatever one uncle or grass way. I'm serving the second time.
You are actually interested no but you than Osama.
I'm serving people
to campaign you are not
yeah, I can go there. Go on together.
You are campaigning.
Wow.
That's why you failed.
Yeah, I have not failed.
Whatever.
I'm one of the competent MCs.
Nah, you're when you want me to
don't use that one to intimidate me.
But that's what you say.
If we were to give the proportion, a proportion here failure, wakili, within the county government of Kisii, between executive and the registered we have failed, but the executive was failed 60%, 9 to MCA 40, percent.
That's wrong. Actually,
Number
it's
two.
it's the other way around.
No.
Now your oversight. Now
Budget get entitled for the
more by budget.
Budget. Got to idea.
Eh.
Kwa monta implement.
Get implemented.
Ongwae nero
Hapana,
60%
it's you
ikumechi katoven. Na bono chimesa nero kwa.
Mheshimiwa Apoko just a minute. Very ndege sini sana. Mbere muna kuana yo MCA no mubunge.
Yes.
We can literally.
Yes.
About nailing igane county assembly and national assembly. Bono onye mubwate challenge why wona for example and the people they think go restrictive ways Apoko ine diangu bose nayo lega but kwa niaba y'abantu bali baba MCA bonse bafile dinga bono kuri gibaro bujumbe ba fail tayari in across the board gokubona yo mwenye on behalf of abantu batagete ko gando chiposi
Yes.
abana inji don't you thinking ngantu abana inji bo bende kulirili kinli abantu baranyare gukora oversight ire proper and abagwade birengere dio nechinjira nechimbinu chuhakikisha ng'ebintu byachinjira. We have seen for example in Kenya at the National Assembly bantu bake bagosuguma agendas Mheshimiwa James Orengo for example ase miaka yonzi yakorera ubujumbe bwaye he has been able gosuguma constitution amendments erweka n'abantu in fact one time they were doing at the 7 bedded sisters ese muzika nyona akabeire ku Rusaito Nyamira Mheshimiwa ndareba gukora apologize abanyamira on my behalf Turkeza county ya Kisii.
I can substantiate that.
Gana go point the apologize you no na bia so but what I'm saying getting kunyamira to the late Anyona.
Yes.
Together pakasukuma amendments ya machiko egeto atwade moyo lenge dikitetembe when the country was almost collapsing. So it means it is true abana inchi babandi again tukibwena tango bono Mheshimiwa wakonya abantu baonye bakonya neba nayo kuchikochoro ikigera abana inchi babwade sabao barakochorere
Yes.
abana inchi babwade sabao barakwangire but again abana inchi batagete in civic education amasomo nga inchi yokorekana na civic education there lazima ngabona ayokore na Apoko no ku create a forum ukuhakikisha nga wa create a forum abana inchi banyole libaga cyogo cyo kukwana stakeholders professionals kira sense mejo nimanye tenga bali mumbaroro ndubwati accountant kinyoruki yao ndubwata abawakire kinyoruki yao ndubwata abanyagitari we have all manner of people platform kikwa barose iri buno leaders forum ayo buno mu MCA either and there is mangana yabo ko nyachiba kwa mubuko we have institutions willing to do this lakini we go on that lead abo mutanga ndiko tebanga tuachakire this we want a city and that is why for example ekere Ongwae na nyagara bateba and aba MCA I think balengo ngabona mkuza kabale platform ya discuss mangana BBI na mangana not even BBI mangana mugoba usinga kituo chamo it became a good idea we are saying it's okay but then ni mmoja kuto lead mpaka mwali let this be the status to take charge let tumu usimwenzi to set our agenda.
Me agree but you see now Nyakundi I don't want to revisit from where we started. That's the main problem with this gentleman. Are you no give me time then I explain that for 2 minutes. Okay. Gambori, what the people of Kyogoro have asked.
Yes.
Are you seeing? And I was answering it. Now, number one, that question is not directed to me. No more MCO. That's number one. Number two, listen. Number two, but because I come from that area, it has affected me. And definitely that's why because he has got a wrong assumption towards me. And that one I can say it politically. Maybe not understand the thing Korangaki, Wintoki account Yakolide, Neki national government Yakolide, Ruto. No, you wait. I don't understand Dangomanaki, Timba business. Ikiomario, you police post. It is not my decision. But me, no more MC and Atavi about Kyogo. Because Kyogo Nango Kwana Yakundi, Minto Navagus, once what I can the quarter ye what? Naga is always through the county government. Kyogore. Obviously, ACC, what is the main reason you want to make Ruselia? Police post Kyogoro, Anye, Amal. There is no reason. I can call a police post here to recover as a leader. I said, as some you are as the main administrator, or direct. Ego, it is an oversight.
Chitaya Chia Kyogoro.
Yes.
Street lights.
Yes.
It's a cheer on Chiga TS sub county office.
It's okay. Tangani or you, Garakura and Pijaman. Because I can return you Yarko Moringaki, a Gateno Minton Gades. Gatavang Minton, a Chiro Yakioro, Yeroboko. na be tega roigo yero bako akaro ko gamba yo nta ko gana ne question kwa mbori data ngango ira sei ndege to wakiri otega na so ete kigma chita ya jintanga ni account government ya ngete na chibeta kyogo ejasura ekere last my electricity ya kana bori kwa na ni ngachibeka the same place ije electricity no ni we in the last plan yeto genderete nkubeka ni chita chinde etundu wali asinara ali egatongo kire aigwaitire onye kwa gendere camel park no yino yuchire camel park egatongo kire ali gokuru chituka iga
no mweshimo koro mo kam kali on track
ya igira no nyangete no uchire camel park no yino mwebera ni uchire camel park asinara egatongo ali wakire kero weta ne rori agesunde kire etayebe na yadi kwota sibe kuibere ne nyakitari chibe. That is the plan I have to root the government. Iko mwano yo minto tiga relax.
Maybe Nyakundi, and for me a discussion should be Mheshimiwa Apoko na Mheshimiwa Bonsi.
Yes.
What about a plan?
Yes.
Your word.
Yes.
So that is the question. Maybe I would have even loved to go Mheshimiwa Apoko on behalf of Abantu but Tabanga. Yes. It is true. It may be nero kitima divide ba Mheshimiwa Apoko yabakale abantu abanyene bamanyete nyero abayiri baya ile testima bamanyete bamujaji.
No, kyo goro wele ba mbaro.
Kana ye wada Nyakundi.
It's okay.
No muigwa. So we don't go there.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let's not go there.
It's okay. Abantu bakyo goro bamujaji. But the most important thing.
Yes.
Plan onyo ine chitaya. And because I've seen this amakosa anyanya mira. Onyo aranga chitaya njikwa the formula.
Chiko begero.
Omuntu yes. Akutwaranga si tunyeze tinyamaya. Etayere ya moyoka. Akachiro gati yokuligereria. Kwanza tuta njiremeze ngenjo muyuta kita okorora. Akoranga ngaikwaru era waidire tayeri ngakikwaru taranga kyobegete. Nyo yar kuli mayere buja. Kuwa ikero moi bya kuibisa the next shop. Itu the next. Asige sunde kire. Get the yakara kamogoka. I have seen within Nyankizi County kuchizika isiko. Ekara kwa jita ajiri tauni isikari nyakundi zinatari. Tinatara kyogoro yonsi. Kunyongeta yakara kamoiga. Ndobwa the formula ndobwa the plan. Yet tokora chize mochide. Yakundi kero kwenda na tara Kenya. Kenda ya machako sopenda kitui. A distance yentambe para asi arenge insecurity. Chipara chita chibekire buja gutira lighting it make sense
mutu acha akrete mulongo
yes
paka machako
chiro clear chitabwa issues okuma chikotabanga ya code purpose a business yote ngwale ndira kataya kama before tutaraboli what was the cost ikera the other issue mondo go boli ngaki was it what the cost ya kia ni problem ya code
on the issue and direct communication in your church about the Honorable Richard Tong is only expanding administrative units. It doesn't mean he's moving ACC to Matunwa, Amariwa area. Apoko should stop lying. Fred Munivi Ohenga. Communication, you're about
Nere. You do know. Ngaki kushon yale. O itari nganara Ote kushon ya bori kumaki. Ndai mwera nere kurere kia.
Ora weanga nkwanyi.
Ni nda weange ngankonya nkwanyi weru kurkyo gochi. Amaliba. That was the question. And as far
there's nothing wrong. Expanding.
But you see now the problem. Unki wakiri watu blame. Ose public participation. Onya kare communication direct. Unki matara kokora public participation. Matara move. As I speaking now, wakiri na Nyakundi ominto na getena matekereta. Tayari nyumba ya enda kwa gacho. Yes. Otegante kwa ba kegiti.
Abantu batabori.
Abantu bori tu. Over Mona kwa gacha, no county. It's not international government. Because in general, the county, what the county can and say, I get you, I don't know Chumbo might no money. I get to Tebecan in Jerome MC. Constituency, the weather by MC Sita. You got talking about MC Sita. In Jeratayura, Nanakumara, not Evanga to go in Bemo.
Ano mino.
Dario yo minto. Timbuati. Nande mai demone ngete ke koba. Wakiri ke koba se wodiane. Bara sa tangane se nkurani mochu. Omwano yinta ke komo kani oje direct ngaki ama ko se sai. Onye ne administrative unit go suka. They would have done it that as a public participation. Egara banta ba ki uru ma college. Ba understanding ngaki abasigari ba ko bakando. Abantu batoka na abantu bachi.
Let's talk about BBI. Position ya on less BBI.
I support it. As it is. I support it as it is. I was in Bomas.
What has changed?
You know, you asked me. A question ya kwa mboni yaki.
As it is,
what is your passion in class?
Okorango expecting the best change.
Na which I talk because what was the reason in Kwanaba? What was the reason your president will extend the term of office? Yeah, committee.
Nki wanjira na BBI. Ayo na msi.
Ngeka nani ngo pamas na so mele tu yatike. As much as wakili nta nyori la tan. Na mbona ngoja kuhuri no hendo mu MCA manyanga timba copy. As much as I'm saying I'm supporting
the copy na ile simu yao. It's online.
I've not downloaded.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. But then nilinde kwa manyana naona ba MCA mbaro barana ro. Kwa manyana baro. Wale kinaro te wangelinga when the article was read.
Yes.
In the Pomas official launch, ye president there correct. Nabato so merete. Then I took it the way it was, and the Carolina is implemented the same way it is. Then it will benefit the whole country.
So, Hon Apoko tara so BBI yons.
And now so merete what? Not to come very fair.
You want to be very fair.
Actually, the Leonsi.
Tara so much.
Yes. That's okay. That's fair.
So, what do you agree with? You tara so.
Na so merete ali. No ni mwana ke kisi. Oto no bantu ba ibara ko te ba kungwa mwenye. Ya te ya ko te ba ngaki. Bantu ba ko chimata das ma basome. Ni tuna bara ito ko somera to mate to direction.
So you are okay. Okay. BBI ayenta na tango.
Digora te. No nya ka to nga pa masi, amangana tanga kile weka na elete.
So na kimo ko
Into don't drop Kenya tata.
You still support the deputy president for president?
Don't worry whether I'm supporting the president, the deputy president, the president. I'm only supporting the president even now.
Go support your Ruto for 2022.
Why not?
Why do you support him?
My own reasons.
20 reasons.
Why?
Because why insist about the wrong musi. In fact, let me play to you what you said.
Tunataka utembee Kisii kila siku kila. Are you ready what I'm saying? Because Your Excellency the Deputy Governor, you should tell His Excellency the arithmetic numbers of the Kisii. Out of Kisii and Nyamuya, we are over 1 million registered voters. And the Kisiis in diaspora, they are more than 1 million. They are above the Abakama. Why should West Ham going to Abakama and we are ready next way?
In short, what you are saying, 1 million Kisii never support the deputy president. He doesn't need to.
No. I never meant. I was only encouraging the deputy president to come always in Kisii, and you can get what the statement was saying. I say, why do you West? You have been saying the deputy president going to Western, going to well, the rest of the other parts of the Kenya.
It's about
to me.
I saw Keriako Rigis Kabu, Nabogo Tokapusi.
Now wako ya na into Kenya or groups.
No, that's what you are saying. I keep going to tinga on your koti meru so mugeka no tomo tenga kiti yakona kwenda kuti meru koti bindeno kugamba milimani
abese yokuri kimeru
nyengera.
But that one was my statement. He would have the only person to judge it is the deputy president.
Apoko ngere kungengeria mangana kire kila somangana
Azeki manganaki.
Turko honest.
No, I'm honest. I'm supporting as by now. Let me be very fair. Kwa mbori ya BBI wa 2 million na wa chile za deputy president.
BBI tuagiri ngaki ngo nwanjera nete unere.
Nere.
Number 2 tuagiri ngati.
Amendments njija chiko change.
Tuagiri ngati turasoma.
Na so mera tuagi.
Tingo ko irani fa akero turasoma. Tingo ko vera fair.
Sawa.
Because njana asomire. What tingo ngya kwendiga yisinga njo turasoma. Tingo bana ko kole ibi.
Bona ainga yobere. Supposing I ask.
Njega sana ko semia bantu what it says.
Oh, you are not in that BBI.
No, I mean.
Anyway, as by now, what I was saying about the deputy.
I think okay.
As na kwamboria na bona ira asa abantu ba na manyire okubori o president na ndo kwane na nje na he needs my support no moske William Samuel no ni we but ise kuikira you know Nyakundi and the wakili here and the rest of the other team akina getena akina moiberani amangana politics tend to change each and every time when you wait again the kimara ta yo mogusi njiro mogusi na ndi ntwana kuitira na bege usige whatever. It's kama the presidential candidate ya so kile romo usi. Definitely I must support whatever part I will come from. Because you might politics is all about interest. onye nchapa kumbata interest yo kuri uchumbe wanyali bajaje inko genda nganyoro ngumugusiye pati yo mugusiye tongi ugatiro ona nyalebe na nyalebe tinko genda kurwani special yo koronga kurwa ya nyoka lakini iguraro onye mugusiyo ro musabot. That's what happened even 202 when he was there. No ni we inje timba the problem na bono ntaka dabata bakurwa. People are saying
asebono na story bono.
Yes.
Ngiye karo ko ngade William Ruto na president ngi yakubwa no nyino rusina na nyar ko.
Tali ngabengi. I'm not saying that.
Okay. Ngiye karo ko ngade won asubune bintu bile sebono.
Ase bintu bile bona shinje nje tumi nere ndoje. Noni we nere ndoje. Lakini ana akwele sebona kibintu rabi go change. Na bono ekireso mu gusinga na teno president ai
Bota na mo cambia mono.
Yes, bono yo twanda.
Vera abutu ara verina.
Yo twanda.
Ngakundi nganjere I just bring him into very kago bitatu into amana ya William Ruto kwa run for presidency siasa ya tanga kioleke na yeye ndimani.
Yeah, I said there's no tanga.
Era even kiarweke.
Una kiarweke. Pende mbia era na bomas.
Again that avangeri mu organize kurugwa ya de mwaka no mbubale. We don't doubt. We have known Mheshimiwa Apoko the support of Ruto. If you say
yes,
a team where you disband kieleweka na tanga teyo, especially when Ruto asali kukurua Mombasa akanevinto vingi, you can be able to say labda o maeneo mangana ya Jubilee hapo yakoneki. But let me say this. Kitangani Mheshimiwa Apoko na bwate haki yo support muntu wese. Whether Ruto, whether anybody else. So ndruko mo blame. This worry, what is the benefit? Yechi tripu kiazugo. What is the benefit? Yogo tara gochi Ruto. Ekere to what the structures are very clear. Ekere to ganti on behalf. I want to imagine Gotara is on behalf of Antoba again go represent here unless he says there man take go and go Rome deputy. Then go and on behalf of Antoba Yogo go and Manajo, which is okay. Kirumonada wasana by will not tell him that Agumzani Ruto, Stagu that is wrong. But kwa niaba ya wananchi and that is the discussion doja tu watu warakutambe asibuna ba kusidoja tu watu manera ekere buna Apoko for example ya mtu mesi nyana studio ochire korra Ruto age ando on my behalf kwa sababu on behalf yangu age on behalf yangu baki ogoro so on his behalf asengenjo tara appreciating abantaba okwana kwa bongo kyuko so ekere bako genda we should be able to know wasiko feeling chitripu ekingi kyatokonyire buna ababusi kose on his case abantu baki ogoro ngibako benefit from these declarations. It's okay. Na agenda nyenye kakali kungena Ruto. Una tebere ga nga lero, Matiang'I go teno president, out the Ruto embego, which is okay. But we should be able to have Apoko no mongai. Akagenda ali rochi bakaleta mbato na tege ntugete. Akaleta gentugete kiabe. Onye ntuko nyara goteba obuya tokonyora wetra as triple H. Then that is purely personal. The word benefit as umugusi osomo onto bale bako represent.
Lakini kinale ko wori Mheshimiwa Apoko na ki nkieko era ko lenga Ruto na bwene to support wa. As buna bono buna bwate Mheshimiwa to be fair. Nkieko ro ko nga buni bintu biro bono mugusi na takiro support the president because ekero ko genda komorra to komorra buna Ruto as a person. Engagement yao buna umurai na kia konyi engagement ko kolemere mukwano mu deputy president buna tole so bono na kia konyi no mugusi so that eise ko toka ngoneta yo gotenena okay.
One, there is no one supporting. But I wanted to tell you, Mungaki, Tinta Tiari, Abantu Koganda Sigui, Atako Yavan to Arabako and the Cororai. Only way, that's a wrong assumption they were curious. Ta Koraman to Akon Sigui, Ta Rabako and the Cororai. Aya, what you got, listen, Yakuni, Akawakira one and one comment, my friend. Listen. Inki Omokutano at the kiss in Kyoto Konya. Oyoche the kiss.
Too long don't make right Mheshimiwa. We want
no, you wait. I'm
on
the answer. What now doing a kundi? Don't you work you want to comment? You would have given me time, then I conclude. Then you
can clarify what we are asking Kerina Key to take the hold responsible because now you are.
Now
we will hold your band to
don't worry.
No, you're right.
Oh, it is what you are here.
So
it is what you are holding a key. Okay, and you wouldn't listen to me. Okay, and it's trip joke and a school. And the school we have gone once. It's the same ogo chabosungu meeting e yarenga inki ya benefit yomusi the same way kwa bolinga akoganda way to school is I've answered. I'm going directly to Ruto there is no I'm supporting in me na Apoko is later whenever you want him you can get him That's number 1. Number 2, ne ward yane Ruto chiro. Ngente akojo, uchangere kanisa, wani kanisa ya alide, ama ntongo tole kabale, enda amwamwesire, yesera ntonga rutumoka, siasa yeye. Anyway, lekeni kiakabere, I've seen the other things he has done in other constituencies, in other wards. Anyway, another 1, 2, 3. Nabono oyuire nabono we were with him in South Mokirambo agure para ko nyachenge tutabaka is going on the para yakirera mu yakiraba abisinga agure para ende ko nyasemba ali yegosoka Kenya yatigere tunje. That's what I'm saying. Abisinga amanganane nabono chikanise jinateba he has done so many fundraising in Kisi. I can't name them, but you have seen him coming. This and I was there, but I was not part of the program. You were there. I was there. I've said I was there, but I was not part of the program. Let me tell you. But I went there as a friend. I went there as a friend of Ruto. Nende saying a friend Yanaji, and whom I'm supporting for presidency, I would have not missed. Are you using the reasons why I'm supporting him? No, wait. That is it. I will come. Al Sababu. What are you saying about Al Sababu? Not to be personal, my friend.
Omukutano yorenge buzungu nkyokonye tabantu otebere burunge PPI gako ye support ya singinju na chite pomasi agasomerwa bali batachite pomasi barenge buzungu ase PPI mwale komoteina barabu ba benefit gikere bamanyire what is PPI
basomerwa.
By the way, Pigwali, I want to say no more than getana devil Pigwali tari PPI agasomerwa buzungu. Big worry in siasa yoka yaring. Even the groups I have, all of them, in siasa, it's my own opinion. And what I want to say, in Keringaki, my opinion cannot be your test. Cannot be your test. In Nyakundi cannot be the test of Wakil. Are you seeing that? That's my position. But what I want to say, Matiang'I, I respect him. Again, the government in Chengukwana about Wakil Nakwanaki. Working now, not you. Working now, the Matiang'I got no president. Are you seeing that? Nigeria Timbo the problem. Matiang'I at the Nekwanza, near Tarato. You got a sense in a child, about 2 or 2, and amongst you on the Tarat. Don't you remember it gotten? We know more to talk about the P. No, ended Naruto. No, you went. But the end, take a month, I got to have one. Matiang'I super minister. Young Kwana, I don't know, Manasias, and Amana, Yanni, one at them. You almost get it, like in the Tara, amendment of the few things. Na into kwa yoka ni umwano inaro. The same way ya watu yabanga kurusi sa ati nsukiga, nsuki. Na mtoto ita suki kusi. My brother, home best.
Okay.
And that tika charity begins at home. Omo the former minister ya internal security or kuchuli asunguli. I am talking without contradiction. Igara ko ngana sobo onye naba sigari. Obo ne tulero le. Bano obeke kurende kwanyere ne system ya change tinko manera oya ne bori bibi
Politics. We need to, we talking as and we need to bring facts. So we don't know what is going to that is for you.
I've left it.
That one.
Let's
go back to where we're talking about. Mheshimiwa Apoko Tegangogoli. Asobora Kenya. Between William Ruto na Waziri Dr. Fred Matiang'I. Ngoli gora sobora.
Nduto.
Ngotakero kwa nyamu kusima Ruto sema Matiang'I.
Kero mo na Ruto sawa.
Okay. So Ruto kwa nyaso
taringa Ruto kwa nyaso na Matiang'I kwa nyaso. Na kwambo uri ngwete kwa konyo mo kusina. No nyigwete
mo wati chinguru chino.
Matiang'I has the powers now.
No,
yes. To ya te bangaki. Ya oyo omubakiri ate babiyesa. Ruto hati utebe bintu korusuko. Omondo utebe bintu korusuko. Abantu bate te wase.
Wait, please clarify for me. Yeah. You are saying Waziri Dr. Fred Matiang'I is
as by now.
Is it so?
As by now. No, according to the job prescription, Ruto nari go ya Matiang'I. Lakini according to the system of governance now, governance ya Kenya bono nenge is this a system ngandata bono ya?
Yagundi. Sio separate bintu bibere kai. perception and politics and the reality yeri chiko ibintu bibiri kata separate enga unaona mheshimiwa watabanga mheshimiwa sumbuna akubura abantu betrera ngoringa abantu barenga. That is politics, that's imagination. Uko imagininga abantu bakarikire abazunguli okorete kyo bakonye maybe Matiang'I obugo ine chitrera, you don't know. Maybe this it's not possible yara ko likate Matiang'I gulika uno muntu. The system is simply minister namba ibere nyakundi naba kuzibaito bamanya bonsi Matiang'I is simply a minister, a cabinet secretary.
Yes.
Tabuati a mandate yaye does not go beyond what the minister is. Yes, executive nere order as a committee as the president ngazaba minister he is Ruto that wisharanza. Ruto is not a minister. Ntubuato umunya kirogo wa chairman ba ko linga project implementation committee yamangane president kwa kishani bidungurani vile bakatanga Matiang'I tenera yana role minister of national government, coordination of national government and in a security. So ekarea the mean tinga Matiang'I above the presidency. Asili jiga to the presidency to the president and deputy president. So jilateyo Matiang'I atebuwe koba above
Umonoyo wakili.
Politically.
Yada otende umonoyo nkubori. Aine lawyer. Iliswane kwa una ketana bori ngenge ndokera wakigosalika. Ngenge ndokubori tie ya
ukwana bano complete. Ya uncle statement hiyo manya ukwana bano complete. That there is what you call a perception. Does not mean ninkukagera dichiko likotebega mheshimiwa Apoko na abantu sibozi bamanya. No kagera umuntu ngano moyibipi. Otapuka ati proper evidence muntu tari moyibi.
Yes, dara buru hiti.
So that must be very clear. Unless tubwate sababu yokotebanga Matiang'I dichiko lya chenchiri or nero number 2 in command. Nero osha with the presidency. Jolient tebanga Matiang'I na what the role beyond Eliya Mmeyago.
In general, I work on from the perspective of the rule of law.
Yes.
Lakini na politics nero kwanye beka. Wono igenge ntukiko gabani country ye as much as this ikondiro na politics nere ko gabani. Onta to nyubuya wakili. Tinta etio so mama chiku ka utako manyenge ntukere nsi. Because onye kokoteba presidency tango uwe kra alkuru statement the press statement ye to the country tangaru to nateni. As he has been doing that. As
why was Ruto not there? Maybe.
No, I'm not giving the reason why he was not there. Listen to me. He would have been there because you said it is presidency. Number 2, wakili, you have seen so many meetings. Ruta kogenda, even on another sigari batayo. County commission. Or if it is presidency, or Ruta go chabosungo, account commission etayo. Again, because it does
mheshimiwa mtu anakomea kutamia Ruto, so we don't
bono ninje ko batia bono tegera rugwa ye to deviate from the two.
I'm not deviating. I'm telling you we don't know why. Maybe
that's why I'm saying and you have seen no Ruto yo manyana ko complain noni we pakalinde achiete go ozenga nyeri gatia egereka ekurenda commissioner singi yakorde egachenji
mheshimiwa Apoko William Ruto na kwa spokesman ko David Mugonyi. So you cannot talk for the deputy president.
No, I was explaining. You asked me. And
let me just say this: this perception. This is what the political perception. And Mheshimiwa Apoko should know. I'm following Nimanyite. I'll tell you for a fact. Ruto was in West Mugirango not so long ago. December last year. Towards the end.
Yes.
And the entire police force security was within that meeting. So I do not think, systems you colleagues, it is not because in Apoko, for example. Only kubwate role ya yoko systems will work for you. It's not about the political issues. These things to it does not mean it's true. An issue we will see the president, deputy president openly and saying this is wrong.